Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make buffalo chicken dip. This 6-ingredient recipe is super easy to throw together. It's great for parties or game day or even that potluck at work that you have no idea what to bring. This right here is it. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then lightly grease an 8x8 pan or a 2-quart casserole dish. They both have the same volume, so either pan will work. Next, grab a mixing bowl. You'll need 2 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese, so that's 16 ounces total. We'll see if it can come off there. There we go. Then use a hand mixer to beat it for just a minute or two until it's fluffy so that everything else can easily mix in. Everything else we're gonna stir in by hand. Grab a rubber spatula and we're gonna stir in 1 cup of buffalo hot sauce, and I like to use the hot sauce, not the hot wing sauce, because that has added sugar. You'll also need 1 cup of blue cheese dressing. This is just the salad dressing that you buy in the salad dressing aisle. If blue cheese is too strong of a flavor for you, you can also use ranch dressing. Then add in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and you want to do this freshly shredded because that will always melt better than the pre-shredded packaged kind. And then last thing before we stir, 2 cups of shredded chicken breast. You can buy shredded chicken breast, you can use leftover chicken, you can shred up a rotisserie chicken. Shoot, you can even use canned chicken in a pinch, I won't judge you. Then use your rubber spatula to stir this all together and just I start by folding it and then move towards more of a stir. Don't worry too much if there's clumps. This will all melt together, and then you'll transfer this to your 2-quart baking dish. Use your rubber spatula to spread it out, tuck it into the edges there. And then this last step is optional for our blue cheese haters out there. You can also crumble on about 6 ounces of blue cheese right there on top. You could also finish it off with just more shredded cheddar cheese or even use something like Monterey Jack. Then we're gonna bake this in the 400-degree oven, uncovered for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and starting to brown. Once it's done baking, you can serve this up with a sliced baguette, some tortilla chips, or I always recommend some carrot and celery sticks. And then that's it. You are ready to eat. If you want to make things a little bit prettier, you can also sprinkle on some sliced green onion or chives. As always, thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.